G'day guys, Gordon, Blue Tongue Industries. Wanted to show you today remote start modules. So if you're lazy like me, or if you want don't want the inconvenience of walking back to the machine to start your petrol engine, we have remote start modules for you. So currently set up for the GX 160, 200, 390, 630, 690. So it could be powering an amplitude of products, not necessarily in the cleaning industry, but it could be soft wash with the GX 160, 200, the P40, the AR. It could be pressure cleaners in the 390, 630, 690. It could be farming machinery. It could be augers. It could be water pumps. So anything powered by a small engine Honda and not necessarily stuck in that range. We have done Vanguard before, so do reach out if you have Vanguard powered equipment. So the particular kits come with a control box and a wiring harness to suit. So the wiring harness will allow you to plug and play into the back of the key circuit on a particular engine. Once the system is set up, and on this particular skid it's a mobile unit, but once this particular box is set up and we've secured the wiring properly, the control box itself has an on-off switch, which is blue illumination. To start the engine, first start of the day would be a manual choke, but going forward thereafter, and if we're set an RPM, if you're up on a roof and running a Solartech solar panel cleaning system and you've got 60 or 80 metres of hose, to go back to the pressure cleaner and start that is going to be an absolute nuisance. So with the power selected on and our key switch set to on, we can, on the A particular button, we can turn the ignition on. We can then go for a start, and the particular engine will start and sit at that RPM. To go for a stop, we turn the ignition off. So these can be retrofitted, as I said, to various powered engines. So if you're lazy like me or don't want to jump up and down on that ladder to start your particular system, or on a tractor with different augers, these remote start modules may be for you. Check out all the links below. I'll drop those, and if you haven't seen all our other videos on YouTube with Blue Tongue Industries, you know where to find us. Thanks guys.